Public speaking takes you from where you are today to where you want to go. Hi there, just give me 1 second. Public speaking takes you from, you know what? I'm practicing for a speech. Would you like to practice with me? Great! Public speaking takes you from where you are today to where you want to go. I used to be really bad at public speaking, let alone speaking. Probably worse than most of you guys. In fact, I was so terrified that I would not even ask a doubt or a question in my classes in fear of being put in a spot. But now I feel excited at every opportunity that I get at a public speaking forum. You might be thinking that this is a natural talent and comes from within. That's where you're incorrect. Hence, it is called public speaking skills and not public speaking talent. Make sense? In this course, I promise not to throw data, jargons, and complicated methods at you, and rather give you simple, actionable, step-by-step guide to help you begin your public speaking journey. Over 6 modules, I will cover basics of public speaking, getting down to constructing a speech, writing, editing, and reviewing it, and also how to deliver it on a stage, both offline and online environment. I have delivered hundreds of public speeches, business presentations, even been a part of panel discussions, attended and taken a lot of interviews and spoken impromptu millions of times. Every person of significant importance is always a public speaker. From Martin Luther King, Steve Jobs, Obama, or your favorite influencer on social media. If there is something common between all of them, is that they are great public speakers. They have an impact on people when they speak. Join me as I take you on this journey of public speaking. Join me as I take you on this journey from being an audience member to a person who is the speaker on the stage. Excited? See you on the inside.